Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today, I'll be discussing the goals and effective guidelines to be taken care while doing a code review. I have been doing day-to-day code reviews. The benefits of code reviews are plenty. Someone spot checks your work for errors, they get to learn from your solution, and the collaboration helps to improve the organization's overall approach to tooling and automation. If you're not currently doing code reviews in your organization, start now. It'll make everyone a better engineer. Good code reviews are the bar that all of us should strive for. They cover common and easy to follow best practices that any team can get started with, while ensuring high quality and helpful reviews for the long term. Better code reviews are where engineers keep improving how they do code reviews. These code reviews look at the code change in the context of the code base, of who is requesting it and in what situation. These reviews adjust their approach based on the context and situation. Code reviews are a widely accepted best practice for software development teams. The primary goals of code review are to enhance code quality, improve team collaboration, and mitigate risks throughout the software development lifecycle. The goal not only being a high-quality review, but also to help the developers and teams requesting the review to be more productive. Let's deep dive into each of these goals in detail. Identify defects. One of the main goals of code review is to detect defects, bugs, and vulnerabilities in the code base before they manifest into larger issues or reach production. Ensure adherence to standards. Code review ensures that the code follows coding standards, best practices, and architectural guidelines established by the team or organization. Improve maintainability. By reviewing code for clarity, readability, and modularity, teams can improve the maintainability of the code base, making it easier to understand, update, and extend in the future. Optimize performance. Reviewing code can also involve identifying potential performance bottlenecks or inefficient algorithms and suggesting optimizations to improve overall system performance. Knowledge sharing. Code review provides an opportunity for team members to share knowledge, learn from each other, and understand different approaches to solving problems. Mentorship. Senior developers can mentor junior team members by providing guidance, feedback, and insights during code reviews, fostering professional growth and development within the team. Build team cohesion. Collaborative code reviews promote a sense of ownership, accountability, and collective responsibility for the code base, leading to a stronger, more cohesive team. Reduce technical debt. Identifying and addressing issues early in the development process helps prevent the accumulation of technical debt, which can lead to increased maintenance costs and project delays over time. Ensure security. Code review plays a critical role in identifying security vulnerabilities, such as injection attacks, authentication flaws, or data leaks, and mitigating them before they are exploited by malicious actors. Ensure compliance. For projects subject to regulatory requirements or industry standards, code review helps ensure compliance with relevant regulations, standards, and best practices, reducing the risk of non-compliance penalties or breaches. Here are some effective code review guidelines. Set clear objectives. Setting clear objectives helps reviewers focus their attention on specific aspects of the code and ensures that the review process is effective and efficient. Review small, digestible chunks. Reviewing smaller chunks of code improves the effectiveness of the review process, making it easier to identify issues and provide meaningful feedback. Provide constructive feedback. Constructive feedback helps the author understand areas for improvement and encourages a culture of continuous learning and growth within the team. Focus on code quality, not personalities. Focusing on code quality promotes a positive and collaborative atmosphere, where team members work together to improve the overall quality of the code base. Use code review tools and checklists. Code review tools automate certain aspects of the review process, such as code formatting and style checks, while checklists help ensure that critical aspects of the code are evaluated systematically. Encourage knowledge sharing. Code reviews facilitate knowledge sharing among team members, leading to a deeper understanding of the code base and encouraging collaboration and innovation. Be open to feedback. Embracing feedback fosters a culture of continuous improvement and helps maintain high standards of code quality within the team. Overall, code review serves as a proactive quality assurance mechanism that fosters collaboration, improves code quality, and mitigates risks throughout the software development process. By integrating code review into their workflow, teams can build robust, maintainable software products that meet the needs of their users and stakeholders. We have reached the conclusion of the session and look forward to seeing you in our next one. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.